Ever feel like your day slips away, leaving you stressed and far from peaceful? You're not alone. So many of us get caught in habits that waste time and drain our mental energy. In this video, we're diving into 3 big culprits that steal your time and peace. I'll share straightforward strategies to break free from these habits and help you find more calm and focus in your life. If you want more peace in your life, stick around. 1. Multitasking. Multitasking, despite seeming efficient, wastes time by reducing focus and increasing errors. When you juggle multiple tasks, like answering emails while working on a project or scrolling social media during a meeting, your brain switches contexts rapidly, which can take longer to complete tasks compared to focusing on one at a time. These switches lead to mistakes, requiring additional time to correct and create mental fatigue, making it harder to stay calm and centered. By splitting attention, multitasking diminishes productivity and leaves you feeling overwhelmed, far from the peace that comes with focused, intentional work. Adopt single tasking. List 2 to 3 priority tasks each morning. Assign specific time blocks for each task. Use a task manager app or a simple notepad. Implement Pomodoro technique. Work on one task for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Clear workspace of distractions and track completed sessions to build focus momentum. Review and adjust daily. Spend 5-minute evening reviewing task progress. Adjust next day's priorities based on what's incomplete. Celebrate single task focus to reinforce the habit. 2. Overthinking and worrying. Overthinking and worrying about things beyond your control, such as past decisions or future uncertainties, drains mental energy and time without producing actionable outcomes. This habit traps you in repetitive thought loops, where minutes or even hours are spent ruminating instead of problem-solving or engaging in the present moment. For example, replaying a conversation or stressing about a hypothetical scenario doesn't change the situation but steals time that could be used for productive tasks or relaxation. This mental churn increases stress and anxiety, disrupting inner peace and leaving you exhausted without progress. Practice structured reflection. Take about 10 minutes daily, write your worries in a notebook. Limit to maximum of 5 worries. For each worry, note one actionable step or label as out of control. End session by closing the notebook to mentally let go. Use mindfulness techniques. Practice mindful breathing. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. Think of this as a mini reset for your mind anytime during the day, especially in stressful moments. Be present in whatever you're doing. Whether you're taking a walk, enjoying a meal, or doing chores, focus on the present sensations, immerse yourself in the experience. Schedule worry time. Allocate 10 minutes in the evening for addressing concerns. Postpone daytime worries to this slot to stay present. Review and discard non-actionable thoughts during this time. 3. Excessive social media scrolling. Excessive social media scrolling consumes significant time due to its addictive design and endless content. Social media platforms are engineered to keep users engaged through algorithms that serve up a constant stream of posts, videos, and notifications, triggering dopamine hits that make it hard to stop. A quick check can easily turn into hours of aimless browsing with little to no tangible benefit, displacing meaningful activities like work, hobbies, or rest. This habit fragments attention, reduces focus, and creates a sense of wasted time, leaving you feeling unaccomplished and mentally cluttered, which erodes peace. Set time limits for social media scrolling. Use social media only for essential updates. Set a timer to limit usage. For example, 10 minutes in the morning or 10 minutes in the evening. Disable non-critical notifications to reduce temptation. Replace scrolling habit with purposeful activity. Instead of scrolling aimlessly, use the time to read a book or practice a new skill like sketching or crocheting. Create barriers. Log out of social media accounts after use or place phone in another room during work or relaxation time. So there you have it, practical ways to let go of 3 top habits that steal your time and peace. Now it's your turn. Pick one of these habits to tackle this week and try out the strategies we discussed. Share how it's going in the comments. As a bonus tip, set aside just 5 minutes each day to check in with yourself. Jot down what worked, what didn't, and how you felt. It's a small step that keeps you on track. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Meanwhile, stay mindful and we'll see you soon.